In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add characters on Notebooklm. To begin, open Notebooklm in your web browser and go to the notebook you want to work in. This can be any existing notebook that already has content, like a collection of notes, articles, or community highlights. Once the notebook loads, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct place by looking at the notebook title near the top. Next, find the highlight area inside the notebook. This is where you can add or paste text that you want Notebooklm to treat as a highlighted selection or a new piece of content to work with. Click directly on the highlight field so your cursor appears there. If you click and nothing happens, click once more inside the text box area rather than on empty space around it. Now type your highlight into that field. This is where you add the characters you want to include. As you type, focus on keeping the text clear and readable, because the highlight you enter here becomes the exact content Notebooklm will import and reference later. If you are copying characters from another source, you can paste them into the same highlight area instead of typing them manually, but make sure the pasted text looks correct and does not include extra spacing or unwanted symbols. After your highlight text is in place, look for the import option. This is the action that takes what you typed into the highlight field and brings it into the notebook as content Notebooklm can use. Click on Import and give it a second to process. Depending on your browser and the amount of text, the import may take a moment, so stay on the page until it completes. Once the import finishes, your characters should now be added through that highlight you created. If you do not see the change right away, pause briefly and check that the highlight text is still present, then confirm that you clicked Import successfully. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.